Ramps were still closed on Monday because of high water in northwest Oklahoma City. According to the Oklahoma Department of Transportation, the westbound Interstate 44 exit ramp to Classen Boulevard and the eastbound entrance ramp from Classen to I-44 were closed Monday afternoon and were expected to remain closed until at least Tuesday morning. Crews are pumping the water out of the road, but it is a slow process. State officials expect to have a contract in place to fix the problem within the next couple of weeks, but any heavy rains between now and then could result in another closure of the road. Read more on this story by Kimberly Burke in the Oklahoman.